How to permanently delete Facebook account using your iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone 8 Plus. Tap the menu icon on top left corner. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Next, tap Settings. Now look for Account Center and tap on it. From here, tap Manage Accounts. Next, again, tap Manage next to the profile that you want to delete. Now select Deactivation or Deletion. Here, you'll see two options, Deactivate Account and Delete Account. If you only want to take a break from Facebook, you can choose Deactivate Account. But if you want to permanently remove your account, select Delete Account and tap Continue. Facebook may ask you to select a reason and tap Continue. Follow the instructions on the screen. Before continuing, Facebook may also give you options to download or transfer your information, such as your photos, videos, and other Facebook data. If you have anything important saved on your account, it's a good idea to download it before deleting your account. Once you're ready, continue through the confirmation screens and enter your Facebook password when requested, and tap Continue. Keep in mind that Facebook normally provides a period during which you can cancel the deletion by logging back into your account. After that period, the deletion process continues and your account may not be recoverable. And that's how you can delete your Facebook account permanently on an iPhone 8 Plus. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.